it's Anissa, and I've got a special deal for you on the Brite lights. Now, these are great outdoor security lights that are solar powered. Let's take a look at the commercial.
Introducing Brite, the new wireless solar powered light that turns on at night. Brite shines an attractive low-level light from dusk to dawn, and the built-in motion sensor turns up the light as you approach, then automatically dims it when you walk away. This state-of-the-art sensor detects movement from up to 12 feet away. And Brite is solar-powered, so there are no bills to pay. This new solar cell technology charges the lithium-ion battery during the day, then keeps Brite lit for up to 12 hours at night. Look, just peel and stick. Brite's construction-grade adhesive mounts in seconds to virtually any surface. Brick and stucco, shingles and siding, and more. No wires, no tools. Now you can put a light wherever you like. Hang it over the door so you see your way in. Brighten up that dark walkway or path. Or light up those steps so you're safe and secure. Great for the garage, super on a shed. The heavy-grade construction is durable and waterproof. And the super bright LED bulbs last a lifetime.
Now that was for the regular Brite light. This is the Deluxe, which has double the battery power. And you're not just getting one, you're actually getting two lights for less than half the price of the original. Now, a couple things I want to point out. It does have the 3M sticky part on the back, which is great for me because I've affixed these to my plastic deck. But if you're using it on wood or painted areas, you might want to use the screws because if you ever want to pull these off, it might take some paint off. Now, security lighting is more important than ever, and we've got a great price that makes it affordable. Plus, when you buy more sets, you save more money. So head on over to the site and grab a few today.
Hey, it's Joey from PulseTV.com. Would you like to find out how to get even more specialized discounts sent directly to your phone? Simply text the word DEALS to 58445 for our latest shopping alerts, limited stock items, and a shot at one of our monthly online shopping sprees. Once again, that's DEALS to 58445.